KH1 Fillet Welding Trolley. Product Structure Display. KH1 is an automatic welding device. The applicable horizontal angle welding. Welding in the left and right can be achieved. The sides of the trolley are installed with a sense of stop switch. After the welding is over, the trolley can be automatically stopped, which is convenient for one worker to manipulate multiple equipment at the same time. Welded on the vertical surface. Install a permanent magnet to avoid the phenomenon of the trolley from getting out of the welding line. Small volume, lightweight, convenient movement, and installation. Non-skilled workers can also be welded.